Hello everyone, welcome to PrepFuture Learning. My name is Amit Mandal and I am the instructor for this practical series on informatic practices with Python Pandas. So in practical number 10, we have to write a program to create a 2D nested list for examination result which includes students records like name, marks and percentage and display the results. So first we will go to our browser. Okay, I will search for Colab. Open this link, Google Colab. Then I will new notebook. So a new notebook will open. I first rename this as IP practical number 10. Then I will write three triple quotes, two line multi-line comment, and I will write that question. So I have already done this to save some precious time. So if first I will write this in a multi-line comment. Okay, once done, I will end this with a three apostrophes. Now write a program to create a 2D nested list for examination result which includes students record like name, marks and percentage with suitable row and column labels. Then we have to display the following: row labels, column labels, data types of each column, number of bytes and dimension of the data frame. So first, to start with, I will first import pandas pd. So everything will be in small. Then I have to write pandas data frame. Suppose if I write name Sumit, then I write 320 and 64. Then I will write Karan, then 468, 93.6. Then I will write Suresh, 263, 52.6. Then I will write Sneha, 483, 96.6. So what are these? So Sumit is my name, okay, and these are 320, 468, 263 and 43. These are marks, and 64, 93.6, 52.6 and 96.6. These are my percentages. Okay, so we have created our first, we have defined our this one. Now we will define our data frame. pd.data frame, d capital, f capital, then this was my series S, so I will write S. Then I want columns. So what are the columns I want? I want columns as name, marks and percentage. So my columns equal to names, marks and percentages. So I will close the list, and now this is my data. My index number will be like comma index, and it should be like 1 2 3 4. If I don't put this, so by default I will get 0 1 2 3. So now this is I created. So suppose I want some print dash into 40 times or 50 times, you can say. What this will do, if I print this, if I execute this command, just see what happens. I will get a dashed line, okay, and this is around 50. If I make it 100, I will get this. Okay, so for the moment I will just keep it 60 only. So now what I want to print row level first. My first question is print row levels. So I will print row levels. So to print the row level, I will just print df dot index. So this will give my, if I execute this, I will get this dashboards, then row level, then in 64 it is the means how much memory it is using. So it is using 64 bits, so that's why it is in 64 is coming. Okay, so this and d type is in 64, and if you can see my row level is 1 2 3 4. So this is my row level, that is my index is 1 2 3 4. Okay, so if I want to, next question is I want my column levels. So how will I print this? If I just copy this down, okay, suppose I want a dash also here, so I will just copy this and paste this here. Okay, and instead of row level I will write column level, and instead of index I will write df dot columns. Okay, if I print, I will get row level, I will get column level now. Okay, so index is name, marks and percentage. So yeah, at columns I have name, marks and percentage. So I got row level, I got column level. So next question is data types of each column. So to get data types of each column, if I print this, if I copy this whole, I want data type of each column. So data type of each column will give, first I have to print name d type. So I will give this name d type. This will give me df dot name dot d type. Similarly, I have to write, if I copy this, paste it here, so I want to write for the marks data type. So I will just write marks df dot marks d type. And similarly, I want for percentage also. So I will just copy this, I will paste it here. So now if I print this, so let's see what does it give. So now I am getting data type of each column. So there is one step mistake, so I will just go here and execute this again. So data type of each column is name d type is object, okay, marks d type is int 64, that is integer, floats d type is float. So if you can see that marks, these are percentages in float, 52.6, 96.6, these are floats. Marks is in integer, 320, 460, these are all integers, right? And these are my object name d type. So these are the data type for each column I got. Now next is number of bytes I want to display. So I will just copy this down again. If I want to print this, so I want number of bytes. So I will remove this, I will write number of bytes. So to get number of bytes, we have to just write df.info. So if I execute this, so I got number of bytes, okay. So Sumit, Karan, Suresh, Sneha, this is the data frame, and this is my 64-bit, then it is using 93 points. These are my percentages. So I got number of bytes. Okay, let's move to next question. Let's say dimension of the data frame. So dimension of the data frame, I have to write df.ndim. Okay, so I will just copy this down, paste it here. So number of dimension of the data frame, dimension of the data frame. For this I just write df.ndim, and if I just execute this by pressing shift plus enter, so I got dimensions 2. So what are the two dimensions? That is, these are the two dimensions only. Okay, I hope you got my point. So this is in the practical number 10. We will meet in the next practical. Thank you very much.